No matter what we do, our bodies change as we age, and gravity typically wins out. Well, for many of us, the upper arm area can be especially challenging. And since this is the Suncoast, we want to feel good in shorter sleeves. So our beauty expert, Mickey Williams, is here with a non-surgical solution to be sleeveless this summer. It's great to see you.
Oh, it's so good to be back. And honestly, I mean, to be sitting next to you, darling, it's just such a privilege.
All right, well, I may be sleeveless, but I do not hold my arms out on purpose.
No.
Because this is just a tough part of our body for many of us as we age. So
absolutely.
Tell us about Sofwave and basically how it's non-invasive yet can still make a difference.
Yeah, so Sofwave's been around for a while. It's a super innovative form of ultrasound technology, right? We see like all these celebrities saying, oh my gosh, it's changed my life because they get their face done with Sofwave. I've had it done on my jawline. I'm going to say I'm getting my results right now, and it's like, I'm getting snatched. But what's amazing now is that it's FDA cleared way of delivering this ultrasound technology to lift and tone your upper arm area. And this has never been done by anything before. So what's so incredible about this is that, you know, as we get older, or, you know, maybe if we gain weight, we see a lot of people that are on semaglutides now. We see all of these different changes to our bodies that are happening no matter what age you are, right? So we're seeing the skin kind of become really lax here. And what's so incredible about this is it's really targeted for the upper arm, and it just got FDA approved. So what's incredible is we're seeing 93, they just started doing the early testing, and they're seeing a 93% of lift towards that area.
That's crazy.
So that's absolutely crazy, especially if you're somebody who lives in a climate like this where it's super hot. It's great because it's good for all sizes. We're seeing a lot of people having this dramatic weight loss, so they want to go ahead and kind of, what do they call them? The bat wings? They want to get rid of the bat wings.
But I call it BARM too. Do you know what this stands for?
No.
Boob arm.
Oh my goodness. That's the best.
Sorry.
But I love it too because this is, a lot of this technology is a little bit scary for people who have darker skin tones and things like that. This is great for all skin types, all sizes, and it's basically just all ages. So it's nothing that you know, like you think you have to kind of veer away from it, or maybe it's something that you don't want to do if you're going to be outside. It's not like that. It's really, really impressive. I went to this event that we were just showing where they were right there. People, I was with beauty editors in New York. People were lining up to get the treatment done. It was so, they were so excited about it.
So right there in an event you were having the treat, which means it must not hurt too much. It must not involve a ton of downtime, or you wouldn't be doing it in a public setting.
I mean, I have to tell you, there was absolutely no downtime for me, and I went up and I went and hosted the event right after that. I was like saying I've got lift from Sofwave, which was great. But when if there is some pain involved, I would have to say that you would just talk to whoever's doing it. I didn't feel anything. I know some people did it without, you know, the
so you can always get a topical number or something.
Something like that, yeah. Just discuss it with whatever your provider is. But what's so incredible is that the technology is actually works. We're seeing all of these early testing, and we're seeing these before and afters. But
yeah, let's get some results up, because when you see the results, you're going to be like, without surgery. So the first on the left is the before, the after is after 6 weeks.
That's incredible. And you can see that the skin is really kind of gotten a little bit lax underneath the arms there. It's probably just an age-related thing.
Yeah, it's creepy. It happens.
It does, and it's happening to me right now, especially in like the change, as you will say. But what's incredible about this is that it's actually doing that lift and tone, which is unbelievable. Okay, here we have a younger person you can see, but it's unbelievable. You're getting that, this incredible results. You said this is around 6 to 8 weeks. This is incredible.
Yes.
And you know, this is one treatment.
That's amazing.
Pretty mind-blowing.
I love the fact that you are going to get the results after one treatment. So you do the treatment and then you wait because, you know, the collagen has to kick in, everything has to happen.
Yeah, everything's made with, you know, our whole bodies that keep everything tight is collagen and elastin. So what's the ultrasound technology is doing is it's actually kind of reviving that in a bit. So that's the reason why the technology is proven to work, but it's also why it works on all these different areas of your body, right? Because it's just your collagen and elastin. But treating this area has always been super difficult. So this is just mind-blowing.
It really is. It's technology that's been used on faces like Mickey's before, and now it has been approved for our upper arms. I love that it's non-invasive. I certainly love that there's no downtime. And listen, it works.
Good for everybody. Skin types, you know, everything, ages. I love it.
It's all a win, and it is right here on the Suncoast. Thank you, Mickey, for giving us the heads up. To learn more about Sofwave here on the Suncoast, you can find out more information by going to MaritisPlasticSurgery.com.